What's up guys, it's your girl HeyParis here, and today I'm going to give you the final update on my whole Sephora manager situation with her bringing me to court and all this BS. If you don't know what I'm talking about, I think I have 2 other videos up talking about the situation where an ex-manager from Sephora decided she wanted to sue me, or fake sue me I should say, and me and a lawyer who she used to fake sue me are now suing her. So if you want to get caught up and you don't know what I'm talking about, if you watch this video, it's going to make absolutely no sense to you. So go back on my main channel, check out my first video addressing this, and then you can come back to this to see the final update on the entire situation. So, you know, I think I say a lot that I'm a very nice person. I'm a little bit too nice sometimes, and a lot of you guys are going to tell me that I'm too nice in this situation as well. Let me break it down to you, okay? I don't like this bitch. I don't like her in any way, shape, or form. But at the end of the day, I still have a heart. But ultimately, I'm gonna let you guys decide what I'm gonna do at this point. So the case is currently pending in court between me, the lawyer, and my Sephora manager. And there are some things I can't talk about simply because, you know, this is the legal system. You can't talk about certain things when the case is pending. But she actually reached out to me a couple of weeks ago and explained to me her situation, her financial situation, her living situation, her employment situation, and it's just had me second guessing the entire situation at hand completely. Yes, she's dumb. Yes, she's a bitch. Yes, I don't like her, but I'm not even going to expose what her living situation is right now, or her financial situation, or anything like that, because I don't think she deserves that at all. But I can definitely say that she is going through a very rough time right now. I don't know if she's lying about it or not, but I believe what she's saying simply because some subscribers who know exactly who I'm talking about have messaged me and told me her current job right now, which means that if the job title that all these people are telling me she has is what she has, then obviously the situation she's telling me is true. It's just too many things lined up for it to be not real. So I do believe that what she said is what she's living. With that being said, I'm not an evil person. I do not want to see anybody stress. I don't want to see anybody go through any type of turmoil, or I don't want to contribute to anyone else's sadness. I don't want to. I really don't. But on the other hand, it's like sometimes you gotta teach a bitch a lesson. Like, you really gotta show them, like, this is why you don't play with me. Because if you play with me, I'm gonna have to play with your pockets, and you have to come out of your pockets to pay for these lawyer fees because you wanted to be a dumb bitch. You know what I'm saying? It's like there's a devil and there's an angel on my shoulder. It's like the angel is telling me, like, she's going through some shit. You know she's going through some shit. You need to leave this all alone. Drop all the charges. Speak to the lawyer and just make this all go away for her own well-being, okay? Even though when I worked for her, she didn't give a damn about my well-being. She didn't give a damn about when I had my cramps and I wanted to go home from Sephora, or when I was really upset about personal situations and I was like, I need to go home, I cannot be in this environment, or when the customers used to make me feel upset and I can't take 15 minutes to just gather myself together. She was always like, go back on the floor. No, we don't have time for this, Paris. Go back on the floor. Like, we don't have time to be being sad over what customers do. This is your workplace. This is how it works, okay? Go back on the floor. Sad, upset, mad, or angry, it doesn't matter. Get back on the floor. We need you on the floor. She didn't give a damn about me. You know what I'm saying? So the angel's telling me give a damn, and the devil's like, if she didn't give a damn about you, why the hell do you give a damn about her? Because when you was going through shit, she didn't fart on you. She didn't really care. She honestly was like the rudest manager I ever had in my life. And to me, it's just like, success is the best revenge. That's what me, myself, not the devil or the angel, but me, myself, that's what I'm saying. Success is the best revenge. I no longer work for you. And for you to be coming to me and telling me about your personal life and what you're going through and why these court costs are going to be detrimental to your financial situation and all of that, like, maybe I don't need to sue you to prove a point. You know what I mean? Maybe I can just allow you. Allow, if you don't know what allow means, in Toronto it means like leave you alone. Just, maybe I should just allow her, and maybe she'll just learn her lesson from us even starting the case. Maybe the case doesn't have to finish. Maybe just us starting it and showing her that I was serious about suing her, maybe that's enough. That's how I felt. But there's so many emotions and thoughts going in my head, and the only thing that keeps coming up is I'm not evil. I'm not an evil person. I don't want to see anyone upset, sad. I don't care if you're my enemy. I don't care if you want me dead. I don't want to see you sad. I don't want to see anyone sad. You know what I'm saying? So I'm very conflicted right now, and I'm gonna need you guys to help me. Like, I'm dead ass asking YouTube what I should do. Okay, so if you need to go back and watch some Sephora story times about this lady and take in how she treated me and really come to a conclusion, please do that for me, okay? If you need to watch the other videos of me talking about this whole case and come back and let me know if I should sue her or not, let me know. I'm gonna literally do whatever you guys tell me to do. Whoever comes up top, it's either sue her or don't sue her. Whatever comes up at the top is what I'm gonna do, because I can't make this decision by myself. I've talked to my friends, my family, my loved ones, and everyone has their own answers, and it's confusing. I am conflicted. Half of the people I talked to were like, just leave it alone, you know, you making the video and her seeing what she did to you is enough. Just leave it alone, you know, she's going through some shit, let it be. And then the other side of my family and friends are like, no, all the stories you told me about how she treated you and when you were sick and when you were upset and she didn't give you a bly, she never gave a damn about you, she didn't care about me. She dead ass didn't care about me. I don't think she cared about anyone except for the people who kissed her ass. But regardless, they're just like, look at the way she treated you. She doesn't deserve to get a bly. She doesn't deserve to be loud. You know what I mean? And I'm just in the middle, like, I could do either or. It doesn't matter. Either of them is good for me, but I just know I'm not an evil person. And I'm not trying to change y'all's answers. I want the real. I want you guys to be real with me and tell me what you really, really think I should do, because I can drop the charges. I can speak to the lawyer, because basically the lawyer told me that it's all in my hands, you know? Her using his information didn't bother him as much as the story that I told him about the entire situation. So I have the power to tell him to drop all charges, drop the case, let's just finish it, let's just done, it's over. Or I can proceed and sue her ass and ultimately win some coin, because bitch, I didn't do nothing wrong. You're the one who did something wrong. You basically impersonated a lawyer. Like, she could get in a lot of trouble. But again, I'm conflicted. I need you guys' opinion on this. Please tweet me. You have to tweet me, because on Twitter I get messages like this. Tweet me, let me know what you think, let me know your thoughts, let me know what I should do, and just convince me, because I'm very conflicted and I have literally a month and a half to make this decision. So we need to come to a conclusion, like, tonight. Please. I don't know. I'm stuck. Anyways, guys, when I do make a decision, I'm going to leave a pinned tweet under this video to let you know my ultimate decision, so that you guys are up to date with everything without me having to make another video about this, because I don't want to make no more videos about this. I want this to be the last video ever that I do on this, because this whole situation is stupid and it should never happen to begin with. She just wanted to be extra, and that's why all of this is happening, because of her. Not because of me, but because of her. Because I never used her name before, and she knows who she is, and she knows how she treated people, and she knew that I was talking about her in the story time, and that ain't my problem. It's not my fault. If you're a good person, none of this would have happened. It's just that simple. Anyways, guys, follow me on Snapchat, Twitter, and Instagram. All that jazz in the description box down below for your convenience. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Love you guys so much. Don't gotta tell you twice. Make sure you tweet me. Also, I uploaded a video on the flip side about Nicki Minaj and Cardi B, if you want to check that out. It's on youtube.com/theflipsidetv, as well as I'm about to upload a video on my beauty channel as well, so check that out. That's youtube.com/SlayParis. Love you guys so much. Don't gotta tell you twice. See you on the flip side. Toodles. Don't play with your girl.